Hello there, here we are with our patient Zack. Zack is here after 4 years. He did a MaxHarvest Plus procedure when he was about 25 years old. That was about 4 years ago. He's currently 29 years old. When I saw him in the waiting room, I almost fell over. I mean, you look like 100% different person. I mean, he came in 4 years ago with a completely shaved head. He was a class 6, which means he had no hair on the top of his head, and I had never got a follow-up. So I hadn't seen him till then, and when I saw you, I'm like, holy cow, wow, what a change.
Yeah.
What has this done for you in your life?
It changed so much for me. I felt so much better, more confident. I went back to school, I got my degree, I moved on with the things that I always wanted to do.
That's awesome. So it gave you that incentive to do that, getting your hair back.
Absolutely.
I hear this all the time. They get their hair back, it changes their life. I mean, your smile, your demeanor, the way you care, everything's different. I mean, it's so happy for you.
Thank
it's
you.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
What's your friends and family say?
So they're all blown away by it.
Blown away.
Yeah, my mom is a barber. We own a barber shop.
Oh, wow.
And so she's like, the way you were heading, there was going to be nothing for you hair-wise. And so now she's like, this is so much better for you. And they're all happy.
Unbelievable.
Absolutely.
And now, do you still wear hats? Do you change your life as far as sports and activities, things like that?
Man, yeah. No, I wore a hat everywhere. I needed to have one at all times. Now it's just like, is it cold out? I'm okay.
That's awesome.
Absolutely.
And how about like sports? You do any different sports now, like swimming? A lot of patients
Get back to the gym a little bit more.
Yeah.
Don't feel as weird about that.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a lot less time having to. Now it's making it look good instead of making it look less bad.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome.
Yeah.
And now, do you use Propecia or Rogaine?
Yes, I use Rogaine.
Okay, excellent, excellent. All right, so he's doing his part. He's doing the preventatives to help hold on to what's left. I'm going to kind of show you off a little bit. If you can just kind of tuck down. Mm-hmm. So this was when you see the photos, you'll see there was zero hair here. He was a complete class 6. We went through, completely redid the entire hairline all the way around. We connected it to the sides. I'm just going to bring you up a little bit. Now I'm going to spin you just a little bit. Created a nice, soft, natural hairline. Tiny little one hairs around. Built a natural recession. I'm going to spin you another way here. Connected this other side over here. So when you look at it from this side, same thing. Super soft and natural. Now I'm going to kind of spin you around here. And I'm going to have you put your head back, please. And there was nothing here. We went through, I took it from front to back. I built this spiral back here. You can see how this follows the directions and angles of the existing hairs, okay? The Rogaine and the Propecia will help to keep the base around it from opening up. Bring it down a little bit. Suture line, we take all the way around when we do these big cases. So this is the suture line right through here, okay? And that'll come all the way across like this. So right where my comb is, that's where the suture line is. Completely unattackable. Has anyone ever said anything to you about your suture line?
No.
Never. Okay. So here's the other side of that suture line. So it goes all the way through here. Fortunately for Zack, he had a nice sized head, which means I got him a lot of freaking hair. So I took full length, full elasticity for him. I was able to take him from front to back, and in one pass I took him from 0 to 60, with one surgery. The next surgery, what we're going to do is basically just thicken everything up. So fill in the holes, close everything off, and just make it thicker. That's what your plan is, right?
Yeah, I'm super excited.
Awesome, man. I love it. It's just perfect. It's literally perfect. I'm so happy for you. The question I always ask the patients, what do you say to the guy who's sitting home, who's on the fence thinking about doing this? What do you say to him?
Make the leap. Make the leap. I was so nervous when I got here. I had no idea what to expect, and everybody calmed me down. They showed me all the different results, and make the leap. It's so totally worth it.
Congratulations, bud.
Thank you, doctor.
Thanks for doing the video for us.
Absolutely.
I'm so happy for you.
Absolutely. Yeah.